a village council community-run school in Mohgaon village. In 2022, the school was issued a show cause notice by the block education officer. Why the administration not realize that laws are meant for the society? Friends, today we have a very disturbing news. Actually, that came in Express yesterday, but I took time today only. The government says that they have been emphasizing on education. Firstly, let us make it clear that there is a clear difference between literacy and education. When we talk about literacy, it has nothing to do with education. Education is gyan, it is vidya. Like Chanakya Niti says, ye shana vidya na tapo na dhanam. Like Vishnu Puran says, vidya dadati vinayam. This literacy, it has nothing to do with knowledge, but still, even that, how we treat our primary education. The education minister only yesterday said that the higher education, it is the mirror of primary education. You just compare how much funds are released for higher education and how much for primary education, you will realize and try to realizing that more than 6 crore children are out of school. How can you compare the two? Anyway, but here we have an initiative from a Gram Panchayat of Gadchiroli. They started a school 3 years ago, a village council community run school in Mohgaon village. Hmm? And that offered education in Gondi language. Even your new education policy that says that primary education should be provided in mother tongue, but for new education policy, mother tongue means the state language. So that basically misses the purpose of providing education in the mother tongue. Established in 2019, about 70 children from the community are studying at the residential Paramparik Koya Gyanbodh Sanskar Gotul School, which has classes from 1 to 6. In 2022, the school was issued a show cause notice by the block education officer who said this school is unauthorized. And because it has not been approved by the state, so even the students who are studying there, they are not included in the list of the literacy which is counted. I think it's really shameful that if a Gram Sabha or a Gram Panchayat or a council is taking up initiative, government should support it. Why the administration not realize that laws are meant for the society and not the other way around? Firstly, very few initiatives are there, and if somebody takes it, you should encourage. You will have to apply and then they will recognize. This is the most rubbish kind of thing. Say, for example, I am 70 and all whatever facilities I am entitled to, I must get the moment I turn 70. I have to apply for that. Why? Government has all the data. It can be done immediately. That shows the absence of thought by the people in government and bureaucracy. Anyway, as per the 2011 census, around 4.5 lakh people in Maharashtra and over 29 across India speak Gondi. And from Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. I don't think this figure it truly reflects the number, but in any case, most of the tribals in the Chota Nagpur region they have lost their languages, and I'll say this is a shameful act of the government because government never promoted what they call bolis. I call oral languages. They are also languages. Hmm? They say we use textbooks from Chhattisgarh to teach their language. I have for the last 5 years been asking the Chhattisgarh TRI to provide with a copy of the school textbooks written in the local languages. They have failed. I have tried from Jharkhand also. I have tried from Odisha also. Odisha government claims to have the 21 tribal languages, hmm? Lexicon of all those. And till date, I've been for the last 2 years, I've been asking them. I have a friend over there in SCSC but out of stock, out of print, how come they can get from them? Anyway, then they say that in the fifth schedule areas, obviously fifth schedule were created for the people, and government should be supporting what the initiative of the people are there. I have always been saying that the three laws, FRA, PESA, and LARR, in synchron, they should act together, and government should have no interfere in the implementation of that. The children enrolled there are excluded from the state education data. I've already told. So this is the state of affair that we claim that we are doing. The fact is education is at the least priority. And I have told you n number of times. For me, when we talk about tribals, I have just four objectives in development: education, health, employment, environment. Unless we follow this, just forget about it. It is just a hoax. Thank you.